Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Mulligan. How are you? I hope you're having fun learning letters, learning what capital letters are in lowercase, and always pay attention to print. Today, read with me. I can. Find uppercase, or capital letters, Pay attention to print. Everybody read that. Pay attention to print. Let's review. You see, what letter is that, everybody? Shout it out. Look at my mouth. O. O. Where is the capital or uppercase O? Remember, it's the bigger one. Is this one or is this the one? It's this one. O. Uppercase capital. Let's review all our capital letters from the day before, and then I'm going to teach you some new ones. Find the uppercase O. There's the O's. There are the O's. Which one's uppercase? If you pointed to this, you're right. Uppercase. What letter is this, everybody? It almost looks like the O, but there's a break. C. 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 Where's the uppercase C? This one is correct. I hope you're getting these. I bet a lot of you are. It's uppercase. Uppercase capital C. What letter is that? Like the snake. S. Say S. Put your teeth together. S. Trace it. S. S. Which one is the uppercase S? If you pick this one, you're right. Uppercase S. Very good. What letter is this from the other day? P. P. Let's trace it. One line down, back up and around. P. One line down, back up and around. P. Which one is uppercase capital? If you pick this one, you're right. Uppercase. Uppercase P. What letter is this? Miss Mulligan loves to jump rope outside. J. Down and around. Down and around. Dot. Which one is the uppercase J? The uppercase J. If you pick this one, you're correct. Capital J, uppercase. Today I'm going to bring in some new letters. And these are more, not as curvy and rounded anymore. I chose straighter letters. So letters can go this direction, up and down. We call that vertical. Say up and down. Vertical, up and down, vertical. Or they can go this way sometimes, side to side. Horizontal, horizontal, side to side, okay? And I love this first one I picked because at an early age, I took my girls to the zoo. And I always could tell my girls would learn this letter first. It's over, slant, over. Over, slant, over. It's the Z. Z. Zebra, zoo. That's the letter Z. Now, I know a lot about capital letters in uppercase. I know that when I put my hand here and compare the two, this one's going up, higher, uppercase. This is the uppercase Z, capital. Very good. This is the lowercase, smaller. Uppercase Z, capital Z. Now, this one looks almost the same as this one. All these letters I picked look almost like the other letter. That's why I paired them up, because they're the easiest to learn when you pair them up and see how the lines work. These are called slants or diagonals. In English, when we teach writing, we call it a slant. A slant. It's not quite straight, vertical, or horizontal. It's slanted. See that? Slant. Vertical is this way. A slant is that way. Okay? A diagonal line is like a slant. So if I put my finger here, slant, slant, that's the V. Try it. V. Slant, slant. Which one is the uppercase V or capital V? If you pick this one, you're right. See how much taller it goes up in the air? That's the V. Okay, capital V is this one, uppercase. Look at the W. And I love the W because if I cover this part up, it looks like the V. If I cover the other side up, it looks like another V. Two V's put together. So now I want you to take your fingers, and this one would be the lowercase w because these lines are shorter. That's the W. But if I take these and I do the peace sign twice, peace out, bring peace up, it's the capital W. Two V's. Okay? That is the W. And remember, the W has two V's in there. One V there, one V there. One V there, one V there. It makes a W. Two V's make a W. Which one is the capital W? Uppercase. If you chose this one, you're right. See the difference? Slant, 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 slant. Slant, 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 slant. This is the uppercase capital W. Now we're going to make the X. X. X marks the spot. Again, take two of your pointer fingers. Do you see them right? You could even do it with your thumbs, but it's hard to see. I use my pointer fingers, and I put them together like this. I slant, slant. Ah! What letter, everybody? X. Say X marks the spot. X. Again, slant, slant. X. X. And I'm going to be talking about lines because that's what I mean by paying attention to print. It's so important that you understand that the language of lines is important, especially when we teach you how to write. So these are vertical lines. They're straight lines. But when I tip it over a little bit, it's a slant, a diagonal. These are vertical, straight, slant diagonals. What letter? X. Let's find that X. There it is. Slant, 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 slant. Which one's the capital? If you pick this one, you're right. Capital X, uppercase. Compare it. See the difference? Uppercase. All right, last letter on here. They almost look the same. Vertical line, slant in, slant out. Vertical line, slant in, slant out. Again, vertical line, slant in, slant out. It's kind of like a kick. A K has a K sound. So I always say slant, kick in, kick out. Slant, kick in, kick out. Okay? That's actually straight line, kick in, kick out. Straight line, kick in, kick out. These are slants, slants. Okay? This is the KK. I'm wondering which one is the uppercase K. Is it this one or this one? If you pick this, you're right. It's bigger, isn't it? They almost look the same, but that K is a little shorter here. This K is bigger. K, capital K, uppercase K. So, let's review. You're going to find 5 capital letters. Okay? Let's review the letters. Z, V. What are two V's together? W. W. X. X. K. K. Your job is to only find the uppercase letter. So, let's start with the Z. Which one looks uppercase? This one or this one? If you pick this, you're right. Uppercase. See how much taller it is? Uppercase capital Z. This is the V. Remember the V. Which one is your uppercase capital V? If you pick this one, you're right. V. Capital uppercase V. See the difference? Let's look at the W. Two V's put together. Which one is the uppercase W? If you pick this one, you're right. It's taller, isn't it? Uppercase, capital, W. Let's do the X. X. Which one is your uppercase, capital X? This one, taller. Look at it. Yeah, capital X, uppercase X. Let's look at the K. K. Which one's uppercase K? This one. You're right, it's taller. Look at the lines, the slants. This is a longer slant. This is shorter. Uppercase K, capital K. Now, let's go back and do just kind of a little observational assessment at home. I'm going to do an exit slip with you. I'm going to have you find the letter now, make it a little harder. We're going to do a find. We got to find the letter, and then we're going to find the uppercase. I'm going to mix them up now. Get ready. Where's the Z? You pick this. You're right. That's the Z. Which one is the uppercase Z? Bigger, taller. You pick this one. You're right. Z, capital Z, uppercase Z. Where's the X? X marks the spot. Can you find that? If you pick this, you're right. But I want to know which one's the capital or uppercase X. If you pick this one, you're right. Look at it. Compare it. This is taller, isn't it? That's the uppercase capital. Where's the K? Kick in, kick out. Remember the kick in, kick out. Kick in, kick out. Which one is the uppercase K? Capital K. If you pick this, you're right. Longer line. This one's shorter. Uppercase K. Capital K. Where's the W? Two V's. Do you remember the W? Lowercase. Find the uppercase W, the capital. This is the W. This would be it. You're right. Uppercase W, lowercase w. Where's the V? That's the one we haven't done. Slant, 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 slant. V. Which one's uppercase capital? Compare them. Look at the lines. This one seems to be taller. This is the capital uppercase V. Boys and girls, whenever you're looking at letters, I really want you to pay attention to print. I want you to pay attention to curves. I want you to pay attention to slants. I want you to pay attention to vertical, horizontal lines, curvy lines. Okay? I want you to pay attention to the height. I want you to pay attention to the width. Just pay attention to all those types of print because they do mean something. And when we look at it and we break it apart even more, you can see it. And when I teach them very detailed, because I pay attention to print can look different in so many different ways. And at a young age, you've got to look at those comparisons. Boys and girls, read with me. I can, find, uppercase, or capital letters. Pay attention to print. Exit slip. Where's your capital O? If you pick this, you're right. Uppercase. Excellent. Boys and girls, pay attention to print. Where's your capital P? Your uppercase P. This is correct. Pay attention to print. Have a good day. Bye-bye.